Hey there guys, from these markers, and in this video I'll show you step-by-step process how we can easily sell stocks and crypto in Etoro. So what you want to do is when you're going to come here in Etoro, you want to click trade markets, and let's say I will be in crypto. It works same on stocks, but you need to have market open. Then you're gonna click on a stock or crypto that you bought, and then on the top right you're gonna see trade. And then you're gonna see next to the buy it's sell, and you're gonna see like what kind of amount you want to sell, and then next to the trade is order. So at what rate, what kind of amount you want to sell. So at rate 33k, I want to sell this amount of money. So for the rate 30, if this is going to get 35k, I want to sell $5,000 of worth of Bitcoin. Or what you can do is to change it also to amount to units, not to the dollars. But this is pretty much it, how we do it and how it works. So again, this works same for stocks and everything. So you come here to trade markets, you go to crypto, you click here Bitcoin, go to top right trade, and $4,000, click sell, and you sell this for this amount of money. And that's pretty much it, how you do it. So if you can have any questions guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.